get so loud right now. Welcome to the stage, Pistol Pearl and the Western Band!
What's up, CMA Fest?
What up, CMA?
Who's ready to put their boot down?
It's the Pearl.
Mr. Talkbox.
First Sunday. Come on, put your hands up like this. Come on. CMA, CMA.
Coming here trying to buy me a beer like a Casanova. Yeah, you look good like a young Eastwood, even got that smolder. Older horses and cowboy, before you drop that pickup, I put my foot down. Come on, boy, I got your bluff. You can go now. Yeah, you can step it up. Show me something, heartbeat thumping, crazy kind of love. I put my foot down. So baby, step it up. Swear I'm in the back of that truck, but I'm not so easy. I'm trying to be not so here's some advice if you wanna please me. Older horses and cowboy, before you drop that nigga. Come on, y'all! I put my foot down. Boy, I call your bluff. You can go now. You can step it up. Show me something, heartbeat thumping, crazy kind of love. I put my foot down. Baby, step it up. Ladies, if you're ready for this, drinks up. Drinks up! Drinks up! Feel up. Say hell yeah, put your drinks on up. Woo! Ladies, if you're ready for this, drinks on up. Raise them up high. You won't feel up. Say hell yeah, drinks on up. And put your foot down. Give it up for Talkbox! We're gonna do the one dance. If you have room, do it with us. I put my foot down. I call your bluff. You can go now. You can step it up. Show me something, heartbeat thumping, crazy kind of love. I put my foot down. Baby, step it up. I'm so step it up. I'm so step it up, baby.
I'm gonna step it up, baby.
One more time, can we get so loud for Mr. Talkbox? Thank you so much. We've come so far, and it's because of you guys, and I love you so much. This next song is for all my underdogs. It's called Knock 'Em Dead. Out loud, I got pearls in my pistol. 1, 2, 3 draws to make a crystal and mix. I'm gonna set them on fire, man. I feel like Shania, but I'm too strong, man. She pick up them boots and walk away. There's dangerous curves ahead. Mama said not go now. I'm not going dead. I'm not going dead. I'm not going dead. I'm not going dead. A rebel, stage with me. I'm the luckiest girl in the world to get to do what I love with my family. This is my brother. We're gonna do a song I wrote and released as an acoustic song. And it's for all the baddies in here because, gosh darn, there was a lot of baddies in the audience. Oh my God. You guys look so good. The lyrics say that I'm a smoke show, but you guys are the smoke show, okay? He's one by the loan, every woman in the West. He's quick on the draw, he does this way. Call the cops. Even the lawman can't stop us, we're flawless. It's made up for unionists, lawless. I'm the only thing keeping him honest. A bit of a man for me, I'm a baddie. Together one hell of a problem. Just to kill like bullets popping. Yeah, got you. He steals hearts, me, I stop it. Put your hands up. This is a hold up, so hold up your blood. Get down, down on the dance floor, shots all around. Let's get hectic, just two outlaws, a grand tour death wish. Got the party in the bag, let's go. Here's the gunslinger, I am the smoke show. Y'all are the smoke shows. The man with the plan, and I'm Annie Oakley. I don't lose a duel, I don't need a trophy. The legend speaks for itself. Come in and see for yourself when he's with me. We shoot up barrels of whiskey, filling glasses for everyone at Hard Rock Cafe. He steals hearts, me, I stop it. Everybody put your hands up, hands up. This is a hold up, so hold up your blood. Everybody gonna get down, down on the dance floor, shots all around. Let's get hectic, nothing two outlaws, a branch or death wish. Got the party in the bag, let's go. He is the gunslinger, I am the smoke show. Nina's a smoke show. I am the smoke show. I see wrestling too, you look pretty hot. Vanessa's looking good. This next song is my favorite song that I've ever written. And it's something that came from my heart. It's called Bronco Baby. It's called Untamable Hearts Like Mine. For everyone who was ever born to break the reins. I love you. Pink Malibu sun setting. Here I am racing the wind again. Where I'll go, there's no telling. I'm a wild horse, you just can't rope in. Sometimes I picture you with me, two lovers traveling in the dark. I think about what we could be if I didn't have such a restless heart. Cause I'm a Bronco baby, I was born to break the rain. Hey look how far you take me, I know you wish I could stay. But you know I gotta go 'cause I'm a Bronco baby. I love when your arms around me. Sometimes you were all a mess, but no shadows ever found me. Into domesticated bliss. And all my love is like a rodeo, one hand holding on while the other is to let me go. I push away every time you fall, but you love the ride. 'Cause I'm a Bronco baby, I was born to break the rain. to keep my soul's a tumbleweed, and the only road that's been for me is the one that never needs a thumbtack on a map and place to hang my hat. I hope you understand. I was born a rambling woman. 'Cause I'm a Bronco baby. I was born a hang on now, boy, you take me. I know you wish I could stay. But you know I gotta do I'm a Bronco baby. I love you too, Teddy and Goku. A lot of you guys know this, but I'm actually a space cowgirl. I grew up in a spaceship on Pensacola Beach. A little spaceship house on Pensacola Beach. And so this next song is about that. It's about growing up in a spaceship, and here we go. It's called Kaleidoscope Cowboy. It's going to come out this summer. You are on my tongue, a little man makes me go. Something in his touch was extraterrestrial. Black with a kiss galaxy eyes, lost in a bit so hypnotized. How on his horse that caused me cry. Kaleidoscope cowboy got me twisted out of this world. Kaleidoscope cowboy got me wishing I could just twirl. Hey, kaleidoscope cowboy, take me to your Mars and take me in the deeper void. Floating on the stars and dancing in your crowd circles. Sparkles vivid, prismatic blood. I'm addicted, can't get enough. Spaceship whip, come bring me up. Kaleidoscope cowboy got me twisted out of this world. Kaleidoscope cowboy got me wishing I could just twirl. You're kaleidoscope cowboy, dangerous, mysterious, those rider in the sky. Intergalactic, charismatic, colors, prismatic. Sparkles vivid, prismatic drug. I'm addicted, can't get enough. Spaceship whip, come make me up. Kaleidoscope cowboy got me twisted out of this world. Kaleidoscope cowboy got me wishing I could just twirl. Yeah, kaleidoscope cowboy got me twisted out of this world. Kaleidoscope cowboy got me wishing I could just twirl. Yeah, kaleidoscope cowboy. Thank you, CMA Fest. Thank you so much, CMA Fest. And thank you so much again to the people who have believed in me before we went viral, before everything started happening. You guys mean so much to me, and everyone who's watching now, please join the party. I want you guys to know it's because of you. Thank you.